Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin on Changelly. So if you come here to changelly.com and then click here on the buy section, okay, you'll be able to choose your currency. So I'll first come here, choose US dollars, and then enter the amount of dollars you want to buy worth of Bitcoin, right? Let's do $100 worth. You'll see how much Bitcoin you'll receive. And what you need to do here is choose your cryptocurrency. If you have another one that was already selected, you can change that, let's say, to Bitcoin. Okay. And then you choose what you want to pay with, right? So here you can click on view all offers and you'll see all the different platforms that you can buy Bitcoin from and the payment methods. So if you want to pay, let's say, with Revolut, you choose Revolut right here. You can pay here on MoonPay or Paybiz. If you want to use PayPal, these are the options. Visa, MasterCard here as well. And you just choose the best rate. Usually the one at the top gives you the best rate. As you can see, you get the most Bitcoin for $100. And then you move on to the next step where you just enter your destination address. You just paste it in, whatever your wallet address was. And then finally, you'll just make your payment. They'll redirect you to their partner's website where you can review the details, proceed with the payment. In this case, we'll be paying via MoonPay using Revolut. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to App Mentor.